Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the necessary tools for this process. You will need a Torx T5 screwdriver, a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, and an ESD-safe wrist strap to prevent static damage. These tools are essential for safely opening up your Lenovo X1 Carbon without causing any harm. First, power off your device completely and unplug it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and the integrity of the device. Next, remove the screws located at the bottom of the laptop using your Torx T5 screwdriver. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once you've removed the screws, carefully pry open the bottom cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. If you're unsure about this process, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so feel free to reach out for assistance. Now that you have access to the internals, you should look for any signs of damage or dust buildup. Use a can of compressed air to gently clean out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. If your laptop is under warranty, it's important to gather any relevant documentation. Make sure you have your purchase receipt and the warranty information that came with your device. This will be necessary when submitting a claim. Remember, you don't have to worry about logistics. We offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Next, check that all components are tightly secured. Use your Phillips number 00 screwdriver to ensure that any accessible screws are tightened. This not only helps with performance but also shows that you take care of your device, which can be beneficial during the warranty process. If you encounter any issues or if you're not comfortable performing these steps, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before any repair, so you can know exactly what to expect. Plus, no calls, no travel, just a seamless service. After ensuring everything is clean and secure, replace the bottom cover. Carefully align it and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened properly but not over-torqued. Finally, power on your laptop and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you have any problems, you can always consult with us for further assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Lenovo X1 Carbon warranty process and keep your device in top shape for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.